I have a game plan for 2025 and it's time to up my sales on Faire. I have not been putting in any effort and it's time to lay out my game plan and show you how I plan to drive more people to my Faire site in 2025 for the second half of 2025 and get more sales, get more customers, and get my numbers up on Faire. So if you've watched a few of my last videos, I've talked about how I made $100,000 in 2024 on Faire. And being a seasonal business, the majority of that came from September through December. I still have time to get sales going and do even better on Faire than I did last year, but it's time to light a fire and get this going. I'm going to walk you through my exact game plan for getting my sales up on Faire and hitting even bigger numbers than I hit last year. And I 100% believe that's possible. I just need to actually put a little effort in. In one of my last videos, you also heard me talk about how I'm planning to start my own wholesale site with my business. And I'm planning to drive customers to my own wholesale website also, but that does not mean that I'm stopping Faire. Faire has been a great site to be on, and I 100% believe in it. I know that the fees are a little bit high, but for doing nothing and making $100,000 in 2024, that just shows me the power of Faire. And I am more determined than ever to get sales to go up this year and grow on there as well. So I'm going to go through to, at the end of this video, kind of my game plan, how I'm structuring emails to customers when it comes to pushing them to a wholesale platform. But first, let's get into exactly what I'm doing to drive more sales this year. When I said I haven't done anything on Faire, I am really being honest. I have basically just set up my listings and gone. And I haven't optimized descriptions, titles, SEO. I haven't done anything, the absolute bare minimum. So first on my list is to go through each of my listings, every single one, and optimize the title, the description, and the tags as much as possible. I want to put as many relevant keywords in there as I possibly can so that it obviously still makes sense, flows. You don't just want to be stuffing keywords to just get keywords in there, but I'm definitely going to be optimizing my SEO as much as possible. I did receive an email from Faire that there is an SEO kind of class, I guess, that they're leading in September. I don't know when I'll end up posting this video, if it's before or after that, but I will give you an update after I take that class. But I think it's great that they are offering this to sellers just to help you optimize your SEO. But my plan is to go into my account and optimize as much as possible now. And then once I take that class with them, if I need to go back in and do a little bit more, I can. But it's not until mid-September, and I kind of want to get this going now. We're at the end of August today. So that's kind of my goal, is to go in and optimize that as much as possible. I'm going to show you a screenshot here of my account. There is a bulk export in Faire. So you can export your entire product list and then put it into an Excel doc, and then you can type up all the descriptions, all the titles, everything into this spreadsheet and re-upload it back into Faire. So you don't have to actually go through each listing individual and type in new description, title, all of that, and do that for each and every item. If you have hundreds of items in your shop, this is an easy way just to bulk export the file and update everything and then reload it back into Faire and have everything updated. When I'm doing this SEO, I have a Faire account that I set up as actually me being a retailer. So I will log out of my wholesale account and I will log into that retailer account. And I'm definitely going to be going to competitors' listings and I'm going to be seeing what they have in their listings. So what their title is, what their description is. I don't think you can see tags in those listings, but I'm going to be looking at the title, description, kind of seeing what keywords they use. I'm going to be doing all of this research. I will create a secondary spreadsheet with a list of kind of keywords that need to be in each listing. So that's my plan. It's going to take a lot of time. And I think that's why I've been procrastinating doing it, because I know the amount of time it will take. but I also know how important it is to raise my listings up on the page in Faire and get more eyes on my products. So I think this is step one, a very necessary thing that I need to be doing. And I am curious how much just doing this can raise the customers that come to me. But my plan is to get that done, hopefully today or tomorrow. And I don't know if it takes time in their search engine to kind of get that going, but a lot of my products are already somewhat towards the top of the page, which is great considering I've done none of this SEO optimization. So I think this should give me just enough of a little boost. The second thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating videos for a lot of my listings. Again, this is going to take a lot of time, but I think there's so much value in people just seeing you as a person, that you are the person behind the brand and it's not just some, company from China selling products, something like that. But I think it's important for them to see the person behind the brand. So for as many products as I can, I'm going to be posting videos actually showing the products, me talking about them, and really explaining the differences between my products. And I have done this for a couple items in my store, but I definitely don't have it for every item. And say for instance, you have 2 items that are similar. Maybe you're selling different tea blends and you want to kind of show the customer the difference between the different types of tea. The videos are a great way to just walk through the items and show them the differences without trying to type it into a description and confusing the customer. So that's where I really like to use videos, is just to really explain the differences between the items and highlight why the customer should buy your items. So I am planning to also do this for every single listing. And there is an area on Faire where you can do a welcome video. And I also have never posted a video in the welcome area. So these are all little things that I think are going to make a massive difference on this platform. So film the videos and upload those to each listing. I think this is a really cool thing that Faire allows you to do. The third thing that I'm going to be doing is sending weekly emails. And if you heard me talk about this previously, I don't know how many emails I've sent out in my 2 years on Faire. I want to say maybe 3. In 2 years, I've sent 3 emails. That's ridiculous. So I am going to be sending weekly emails, and these emails are going to be telling my customers kind of what's available in the shop, what's new. Maybe if I'm running a promotion. I don't normally run promotions because I try to keep the prices as low as possible for the customers. And so there's not a ton of wiggle room for promotions. But if I can come up with one, I would like to send one out this season at some point. So I'm going to be constructing a few different emails. I think it's good too to kind of segment the list in Faire and send different emails to different buyers. And again, that's something that I just haven't taken the time to do. And I think I'm going to see a lot of sales off of that. I know the last time I sent an email, which was just a couple months ago, I think, I ended up getting about $1,500 in sales just off of that one email. So email marketing, we all know, definitely works. I just need to use it. The fourth thing I'm going to do is start running ads probably towards the end of the 3rd quarter, beginning of 4th quarter. And this is about the only thing that I've done every year on Faire, is that I have run Facebook ads to my retail store. And in doing this, I always see a huge uptick in customers that come to my Faire site, because I assume retailers see the products, they go to my retail site, and then they go to Faire to see if I'm on Faire. I'm going to start targeting wholesale customers with Facebook ads and lead them to my Faire direct link on my website. That's kind of the plan that I have for driving more customers to Faire. And when I say that I'm setting up my own wholesale site, I still have to decide how I'm going to kind of drive the traffic. If I'm going to drive the traffic to the Faire website or if I'm going to drive it to my own wholesale site. But either way, whenever I start running Facebook ads to my retail site, I do see a spike in my wholesale sales on Faire. So this is also something you can think about, is that it is an additional advantage to your business to run those Facebook ads. And The unfortunate part is on Faire, you have no way to track it. There's no way for me to say, I gained this customer, so therefore they should have the 0% direct Faire link. Unfortunately, there's just no way to track it. But I always figure it's just in addition to the retail sales that I'm getting, it's an add-on that I'm getting extra wholesale sales on top of that. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating collections on Faire, and this is actually something I've never done. Again, I keep repeating myself, but when I say I haven't done anything, I really haven't done anything to drive sales. So this is the power of Faire and the power of having high quality, amazing products. So I'm going to go into my Faire account and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Okay, I'm in the back end of my Faire account and I've clicked on products and we're gonna go down to collections. And as you can see, I have created no collections. So I'm gonna click on create first collection. And here you have collections that all products that all kind of go together. So you can type in the name, the description. Again, I would assume that you're gonna want SEO optimized name, description in these collections. And this is a great place to put all of your products that kind of go together. So say for instance, you're selling clothing and you have workout clothes. You can put your workout collection in. You could put a game day collection in of all different clothes that go together if you're going out for a game day. Something like that, and put all of your products in here and create those collections. And then you can upload an image. They even have a spot here that you can include a free display if you want. And here again is an area for a video, which would be a great place to talk about all of the items in this collection, how they go together, how you're making it easier for the customer if they just buy everything in the collection, why they would want to do that. That is what I would put into the video in this section. So I'm going to be going in here and making collections for all of my products and really utilizing this. Now, again, I don't know if this will help that much, but I also like to think that why would they have this if it doesn't give you a bit of a boost? Okay, the last thing I'm going to do, because I have a lot to do, and I think this will be plenty to at least get my items going, is that I am going to start cold emailing, and I've already done this. I've crafted an email, I have put together a line sheet, I've done all the things, and I've started cold emailing customers. And I'm gonna go more in depth in a future video about how I'm doing this exactly, but I am sending cold emails to customers, and I am including both my Faire direct link and also the link to my new wholesale store. I'm giving the customer the option. If they are a Faire customer already and they enjoy shopping on the Faire platform, then great. I have no problem with them shopping on the Faire platform. If they are not a Faire customer, they can use my wholesale direct link and shop on my own wholesale site. So I'm giving the customer two different options. Also, if they are a Faire customer already, they can go to the Faire site and kind of go through my items and see how they look without sending in information to me to gain access to my wholesale site, because I do require them to fill out a couple of papers about their business, tax information, etc. So they can go into Faire and check everything out if they want and order directly from there. And the nice part about that, and this is something that Faire's been really great with and that I really appreciate with them, is that if you have proof that you have contacted a customer prior to them ordering, Faire will give you 0% on their order, even if that customer does not use the Faire direct link. I've done this 2 to 3 times and they've always been great and giving me the 0% for that customer that I proved I brought to the platform. And the way you have this proof is the email that you sent them. So this is a really great way to gain customers. It's slow. It takes a lot of time. It's slow. It took me a bit to set up the email, set up all the information that I wanted to include in the email. And I am emailing them out of my own email account, my own business email account, because I think that's going to land the emails in their inbox more than using a bulk email sender like MailChimp or something like that. So I want to ensure that the email goes to their inbox and not to a spam email. All right, so these are all of the things that I am doing this year for Faire, and I've got a lot of work to do, definitely. And it's something that I need to take the time to do because I've really been focused on building my wholesale site, adding all of my new products for the season, doing photography, stuff like that. And I think this is really important, and I've been putting it off, and it's time to put the work in and see how the sales reflect that. And hopefully I come back and show you guys that this worked amazing, that this is something that you really need to be doing. So that is what I have for today. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I am more than happy to answer those questions and help you out. If there's something that you want me to talk about in a future video, also leave me a comment and let me know. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.